Gaurav Gogoi hasn't yet spoken a word against the person who sang the Bangladeshi national anthem in Barak Valley.
Gaurav Gogoi Pakistani agent, purely Pakistani agent. And moi koa karone sahok ase jodi mur upor defamation case diyo. He is a pure Pakistan agent. Mur logot jiman tothyo ase. Moi jidinakhon apunalukok dim. Hidinakhon apunaluke gom pabo he is a 100% Pakistani agent. He has been planted by foreign power in the state of India, in our country. He is a planted person. And tar upojukto praman loi moi kothato koisu. Niyomate election ase buli. Election nathakile to moi aru kothur hoi dekhuai dilu heten. Kinu election ase kiba eta korile manuhe kobo je political karonot korile. Nohole mur hatot iman din jiman kheni tothyo ase tar pisot teo asolote mukoli bhabe ghuri thakiboi noa. Kunbai bhabi ase je kagoj nai niki 10 September dekhua nai kintu moye hoy moi ji koribo lage time ot korime ji koribo lage 100%. Aru he is a pure Pakistan agent and as a chief minister moi koi asu he is a planted person. Moi as a chief minister koi asu khali press conference kon kora nai kan nohole kobo ako Jubinor issue divert korabo jitu apuni ematroi kole he karone Jubinok nyai pradhan korar kamtu kori loye itu kamot hat